Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is very creative and beautiful in itself because in this video I'm sharing a beautiful, exquisite, stylish and an elegant pattern of Punjabi suits, full embroidery dresses, and these are not only Punjabi suits but you can use these very beautiful traditional and trendy ideas of hand embroidery that could also be used into machine embroidery as well for making your full length long A-line shirts, full length long frocks, and the scope is not only limited to this. You can also make churidars, you can also make kalidar frocks, you can also make full length maxi dress, and a very different and a beautiful, stylish and elegant pattern based dressing clothing ideas with respect to Korean hand touch, Ukrainian, Arabic, jalebia style, and many more creativities. So if you want to get more stylish, trendy and amazing ideas, don't forget to watch my videos on daily basis so that you could stay tuned with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Don't forget to like my video if you really like my ideas, and don't forget to comment below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. So thank you so much for watching once again. Stay tuned and stay blessed, and keep watching our video and keep showering your love as you always have been.